Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. From any screen, click Nav. You've got destination entry up there, destination entry. Postcode is best, like so. We are Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P R5. The Land Rover system, you don't need to put a space in even though it's only got 2 digits. So that's 4 E A PR5 4 EA. OK. Even though you've clicked OK there, you still have to click Go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it.
Turn left and then turn right at the end of the road.
That's how you set the Sat Nav. The other great thing with the Land Rover, as I say, it's so easy to use. They seem to have thought of everything. To knock it off, you're getting nearer home, and well, in this case, he's still giving you directions, turn right up your drive, you know, and all that sort of stuff. So all you do, go to Home menu, and then you've got on-road navigation, cancel guidance, it's gone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.